Good day everyone. Today we are group 4 and today we will be presenting on the topic of composure behavior by Carmelita A. Divina Gracia. Let's begin. So a little background. Composure behavior is the ability to stay calm and rational under stress. It involves managing emotions to avoid negative reaction, leading to better decisions in the relationship. Self-awareness, emotional regulation, and communications are the key terms. Techniques like deep breathing and mindfulness can help maintain composure. So, Carmelita A. Divina Gracia, RN, PhD, is a distinguished Filipino nurse theorist, educator, and a researcher. She is dedicated to improving nursing education and patient care in the Philippines. Dr. Divina Gracia served at the University of Santo Tomas and has been recognized by the Philippine Nurses Association for advancing holistic nursing. Next, Carmelita A. Divina Gracia's educational journey is quite impressive. She obtained her Bachelor of Science in Nursing and Master of Arts in Nursing from the University of Santo Tomas. Continuing her pursuit of knowledge, she earned a PhD in Education with a major in Nursing Education, also from UST. Her research is centered on understanding nursing behavior, improving patient outcomes, and exploring the role of composure in the healing process.
Good day everyone, I am Nikki Valdez Carino and I will be reporting the slides 4 to 6. The full title of Carmelita A. Divina Gracia's theory is the theory of composure behavior and patient's wellness outcome. This theory emphasizes that a nurse's composure, ang pananatiling kalmado at kontrolado kahit sa gitna ng pressure, has a direct impact on the patient's healing process. It was developed in the caring behaviors of Filipino nurses and from how patients responded to those actions. The theory shows that the nurse's calmness, gentleness, and professionalism are not just personality traits, but clinical skills that influence how well a patient recovers. At its core, the theory teaches us that when a nurse remains composed, she sends a strong message of reassurance and confidence to the patient. In simple words, kapag kalmado ang nurse, nagiging kalmado rin ang pasyente. That emotional stability helps promote physical, emotional, and even spiritual healing, making composure an essential element of nursing practice. Now, let's move on to the 5th slide, major concepts. This theory revolves around 3 major concepts. First is, of course, composure. It refers to the nurse's ability to stay calm, self-controlled, and compassionate. Ito yung kakayahang manatiling mahinahon kahit sa gitna ng gulo. A composed nurse shows emotional intelligence, which directly influences the patient's sense of safety and trust. Second is the behavior. These are the professional and caring actions shown by the nurse. Our tone, gestures, touch, and words. Ipinapakita dito na bawat kilos at salita ng nurse ay may epekto sa pasyente. Third is the patient's wellness outcome. This refers to the patient's improvement in physical, emotional, and spiritual health. The more composed and caring the nurse is, the better the wellness outcome becomes. And what makes this theory uniquely Filipino is that it's grounded in our values. First, pakikiramay, empathy and shared concern. Malasakit, genuine concern, and paggalang, respect. These values define how we care, not just as professionals, but as taong may puso. Now we will be having the sixth slide, components of composure. The theory used the word composure as an acronym that describes the 9 key qualities every nurse must develop. C is for competence, the ability to apply knowledge and skill correctly. Dapat marunong at maaasahan. O is for optimism, keeping a positive mindset. Kasi kung umaasa ang nurse, umaasa rin ang pasyente. M is for motivation, the inner drive to continue serving despite challenges. Ito ang bakit sa likod ng bawat gawa natin. P, presence, being fully there for the patient, mentally, emotionally, and physically. Hindi lang katawan, pati sa puso. O is for owned values, staying true to one's moral and ethical principles. Ginagawa ang tama kahit walang nakatingin. S is for spirituality, finding meaning and purpose in the act of caring. Ang paniniwalang may dahilan sa bawat buhay ng ating tinutulungan. U is for understanding, showing empathy, patience, and emotional intelligence. Pakikinig bago magsalita. R for respect, honoring the dignity of every person regardless of who they are. Walang mataas o mababa sa harap ng pag-alaga. And lastly is empathy, feeling with the patient, not just for them. Ramdam mo, hindi lang alam mo. Altogether, these components form the true essence of composed behavior, a professional attitude that reflects both skill and compassion. In short, ang composure ng nurse ay hindi lang katahimikan ng loob, kundi lakas na nagbibigay ginhawa sa iba. Thank you!
The patient is a holistic being, body, mind, and spirit. Each patient reacts to illness differently, and the nurse's composure greatly influences this reaction. A composed nurse promotes trust, emotional comfort, and cooperation between the patient and the healthcare team. Healing is also supported by a peaceful and organized environment. The nurse helps create this true calm and positive behavior, which reflects Filipino values of respect, harmony, and cooperation. Health is a state of total well-being, not just absence of disease. It is achieved when the patient feels emotionally secure and physically stable. The nurse's composure helps reduce anxiety and promotes faster recovery. In conclusion, nursing care is not only about treating the body but also caring for the mind and spirit. Through compassion, calmness, and respect, nurses create healing environments that lead to true wellness and recovery for every patient.
And lastly, it describes nursing as a caring and helping profession where nurses shows empathy, composure, and understanding to promote healing. It also emphasizes Filipino compassion or malasakit as an essential value in delivering quality and holistic nursing care. So let's move on to the Divina Gracia's theory of composure behavior application in practice. It explains how nurses apply compassion and professionalism in their daily practice. It emphasizes maintaining composure even in stressful situations, communicating respectfully with patients and families, and providing empathy and optimism. Nurses help patients feel safe and cared for. The example of calming a post-surgery patient shows how gentle reassurance and understanding can greatly improve a patient's recovery and trust in nursing care. Furthermore, the strengths of the theory highlights its focus on Filipino cultural values that promote compassion and care. It emphasizes emotional and holistic healing, making it practical and applicable in various clinical settings. The theory also helps strengthen the bond between nurses and patients, ensuring more effective and compassionate healthcare delivery.
So, for the limitation of the theory, the Venn-Gracias theory has limited global research validation, meaning it needs more studies in different countries to confirm its effectiveness. It mainly uses qualitative research, so it may lack numerical or measurable data. Therefore, more international research is needed to strengthen and apply the theory globally. For the summarization of the theory emphasizes that composure leads to wellness and faster recovery among patients. Caring behavior not only improves patient satisfaction but also helps nurses perform with empathy and professionalism. It encourages nurses to maintain calmness and emotional balance while caring for others. For the reflection and conclusion of Carmelita de Vinagracia's theory, it shows that nurses heal not only with hands, but with heart and composure. It highlights the Filipino value of holistic and compassionate care. The theory inspires nurses to be calm, kind, and cultural aware, promoting deeper connection and better outcomes in patient care.